10,000 per shirt and per trousers of the petitioner is also entitled for the same, wherein the present petitioner is using all the old dresses itself.
Yes.
My lord, towards the accessories like bangles, sticker, chain, earrings, watches, sandals, slipper, etc., my lord, which is the basic need, my lord, towards it 15,000 per month, my lord. Towards the medical expenses, cosmetics, and other expenses, my lord, wherein the petitioner is suffering with the knee joint pain and for which she needs to take the regular medication and physiotherapy treatment. Even she is suffering from high fever, tension, panic attack, for which she need to take regular treatment and medication. Due to the negligent act of the husband, she is not in a position to show it to a good doctor and good hospital, for which, as per the at least 4 to 5 lakhs is needed. And my lord, though the respondent is being, my lord, that is, I have, it's a overall cost, my lord, I have bifurcated to a monthly wise also, my lord, in the second column. Though the respondent is being the school fee, paying the school fee and tuition fee to the children, he has completely neglected to look after the children, always being with him, with them as like a mother, and due to which the petitioner is supposed to.
If at least your client is not understanding it, you should understand and you should advise her. Unnecessarily with these kind of expenditures that they give, the court gets the impression of the court would be something. What is this? 8, please tell the court. Every month, 60,000, what she will do?
My lord, wherein, my lord, this is the humble request before the court. Will leave to lordship to decide on this.
Reasonably, you should tell.
Allah.
Not about I will. It is like a bargaining. Like you will give 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs, and the court will let me give 1 lakh to the. Not the way. You should come before the court with the actual figures. What are all this?
Oh my lord, wherein I have categorically categorized that these are the needed for her commitment, my lord. And my lord, she is possessing with the loan also, wherein she has to repay that. At that I have produced the document also, gold loan, other loan and other hand loans which she has managed and which is deposited to her bank statement by the mother.
You want 6,16,300 per month. Per month as expenses.